I carved this frog sitting in this bowl from a piece of wood very like this one. So how do I go from this block of wood to this finished carving? Now when people see a finished carving, they're often a bit overwhelmed. How did you do that? But actually there is a pathway, there is a process from here to here. And it's a process which you'll see again and again on the website. You could describe it a little bit in steps or series of steps. For example, to begin with, I would do a lot of modelling or drawing. I'd get my ideas firmly in place. I would do probably a big cutout on a bandsaw perhaps. Then I'd do what's called bossing, in other words, a sort of roughing out where I'm seeking the form. Then I'd refine these forms a lot more. Then we get into modelling where the surface is nearly there. And finally we put in the details. So this step-by-step process you'll see again and again. And in the same way that I'm telling you that I use the same cuts and the same ways of holding tools again and again, you will see this same process. So try not to get overwhelmed when you see projects, but you will see this step-by-step pathway to get from there to something like this.